Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to join a private Telegram channel without a link. Make sure to watch the video until the end, not to miss any important details. Like and subscribe. So as you can see, currently we are right now on Telegram, and I would prefer for you to use the web browser version rather than the desktop or the application for the app. Now from here, as you may know, you can just click on search, and if you search for anything, for example food, then it will showcase all the chats, and then from here this is one of the channels that are provided in the channel section. Now, what you can do to find any other private channel that you may like. Now, what you can do is from here, you can see there's a link. And from here, all you have to do is to go to this website, for example. This is called xt.io/ts_n.html. And this is going to be your Telegram server searcher. Now, there's, for example, another private channel that's called the Football Sun. And so once you join it right here, as you can see, it's going to showcase in the first one, and this is going to be the website for it. So if you find something like this, you're going to take what is the Football Sun right here, and so you're going to copy it, go back to the old one, and then we're going to paste it at the @ and then once you click on it right here, we have now joined the server and we can just subscribe. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.